Hi, my name is Valerie Thomforde, and I teach kindergarten to 5th grade music in Westford, Massachusetts. This Bake Workshop will be held at Miller School in Westford, where I teach my kindergarten to 2nd grade students. My portion of the workshop will be on adaptive instrument playing. I am a limb-different musician, and I play instruments adaptively, primarily piano. We will go over 3 major considerations when finding the best adaptive solutions for your students. I will also discuss augmentative and alternative communication, or AAC, and how I use the program Chatterboards with my autistic students with higher support needs. I'm looking forward to making music and sharing strategies with you.
Hi, my name is Sarah Fard, and I'm a full-time high school music teacher at Bedford, Massachusetts, as well as an adjunct professor at Laundry School Music's Master Music Education program. And a large focus of my career has been inclusion for students with disabilities in the music classroom, as well as popular music education. So my portion of this workshop is going to focus on adaptive notation. How do we expand our idea of what music literacy can be so that we can find access points for all of our students? How do we create those visuals? How do we connect them to the instruments we are using with our students, whether they are physical or virtual instruments? And how does that overlap with culturally responsive teaching in popular music and pedagogy that is relevant to all of our kids?